Today we're going to be looking into the principle of lateral continuity. And you can see this diagram has two different viewpoints of this one feature. And over time, you can see how the features eroded. Looking from that side to this side, you can see that there's this erosion from these two views. And first, we'll go over the top view. The top view is just this one layer. And you can see here at the legend, this one layer A, the top layer, is the only layer that's showing. And here's the side view where you can see how A is just a horizontal layer. Here's it from the top. And as the water runs down past this flat area that was once just A, it's eroded down to B and then finally to C. And then you can see how this right here, the end result of this, over time, the water just passes over what once was A. This water pathway is formed and it cuts into these layers of sediments. First it cuts through A, it gets to B, and then it gets to C, and then it gets to D. And now here it is eroding down to its fourth layer of sediments. And you can see the progression shows that eventually it gets down to this last layer. And you can also see how these layers parallel each other. And if you see these layers on this side in comparison to these layers on the other side, these layers are the same layers. And you think, well, what do you mean it's the same rock? It's a totally different formation, because after a while, this river cuts through the sediments and there's two different parts here. Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon and seen how there's dark layers within the sediments that you can see is different, or amber layers? You could actually see that at the other side of the canyon, there's the same layer that's actually been eroded as years of time pass and the water cuts through the sediments.